One of the questions I'm asked almost on a daily basis is how do I know if my employees are leveraging the AI technology that we're giving them access to? And I always like to show the value that comes from AI Companion. Now, keep in mind, AI Companion's available at no additional cost to Zoom paid licenses. So it's pretty easy to be able to see incremental value by using the technology, but it helps to be able to see true analytics around adoption and utilization to ensure that the investment that you've made to deploy it, to train employees, that all that is paying off. So you can get access to that inside of the admin panel. So when you log in, scroll down underneath admin and click on dashboard. When you do that, you come to the Zoom dashboard that has tons of great information in it, much more than just AI. But if I were to click on AI Companion, you'd see a quick adoption summary. So I can see how many licensed users I have versus active users. And I can drill down into specific functionality from Zoom to figure out who is using what. And then I can begin to start filtering this. So I can look at filters for groups. I can look at filters for departments. And then I can drill down into specific duration KPIs. So daily, weekly, or monthly. And I can rotate through these. So if I want to see, for example, meeting summaries, you can see I have had 28 meeting summaries in my demo environment over the past, it looks like a month or so. Yeah, 30 days. So in this case, I can look at period over period change. That's growing. That's a strong suggestion here that we're working in the right direction. I can filter through all of these different key performance indicators to identify where we might need some additional training. So meeting questions users actually decline. We can find out why that might be in decline. Is that tool no longer of value? Is it an adoption or a training function that needs to be done with inside the business? Further down, you can see usage and engagement details, and you can filter this by week, by month. I want to look over the course of the whole month. I can see data tied to active users as well as assisted actions, right? So where are they getting access and utilizing AI Companion inside of the Zoom system? Is it coming from the meeting, the home tab, the calendar tab? And again, we can start seeing some trends here. We see phone utilization might be low, and it might be just a training opportunity for us to make sure that our organization is aware that Zoom Phone has AI Companion functionality to be able to summarize a call, extract voicemail insights and action items right out of those phone calls. I can look at usage and adoption by feature. So here I can look at by users or by assisted action. So I can scroll through here and see what sort of trends that are occurring inside of our account. I can look at AIC or AI Companion in Zoom Workplace feedback. So these are thumbs up, thumbs down suggestions based on the quality of the output. So I can see, are we trending positively or negatively there? And then finally, I can start drilling down by my top users. And I can see this and filter this by, let's say, meeting questions, for an example here. And I'll move my video up here. So I can see, in this case, Paxton is really a heavy user. So I can start finding out from Paxton what sort of prompts he's using in meeting to be able to extract out insights from those meetings. And we can begin to leverage Paxton as a best practice, extract out tips and tricks that he might be using to get the most value out of the tool. Hopefully this dashboard provides value for you in understanding exactly how your users are leveraging AI Companion today and what opportunities may exist in terms of adoption and training to be able to help drive as well as perhaps maybe even fill in gaps that may exist in your environment today.